In this video, let us see how Stellar Converter for OLM easily converts your OLM file to Outlook PST file with 100% precision. Here I am downloading the software. This powerful software converts all mailbox items, such as emails, attachments, contacts, and is compatible with Outlook 2019 and below versions. Let's see how it works. First step is to browse the file. If you are not sure about the OLM file location, then click Find to search and select. Well, I choose the first option here. Click Convert and let the software convert your OLM file data to PST. Here it has started scanning all mailbox items from your OLM file. In a quick time, it has completed the scanning process. The best part of software is that you can preview all mailbox items in tree format, and that too before conversion. Here you have options in left panel to check any mailbox items like inbox, calendars, contacts for detailed preview. It's time to save the converted PST file now. To save the desired file, you have option to select individual folder or complete file. After selecting, simply click Save Converted Mailbox icon. Here you have options to save file as PST, MSG EML. Let's select PST and click Next. Now you have further three options. Save each mailbox in individual PST, save all mailboxes in single PST, or append data into the existing one. I am choosing Save All Mailboxes in Single PST. Now select the path and click on Save. Within a click, saving process is completed. You can see that file is saved on desired location. I am showing you a demo to import converted PST file into Outlook. Select File menu and then click to Open and Import tab. Then Import/Export option. Now select Import from another program or file option. Click on Next. Now select PST file option. Browse the file and select the following options as per your need. Now click to Next. You can view all the converted mailbox data. This is how you can easily access your OLM file data in Outlook using Stellar Converter for OLM very efficiently. Now it's your turn. Give it a try to convert your OLM file to Outlook PST right away.